catch some bad guys.
Want to catch some bad guys? Okay, let's go. Who are you? Are you Gecko?
Yeah, so I'm not a bad guy. And you are not.
Who am I? Am I Catboy?
Yeah, you are good.
Catboy? Nice. All right.
You like cat boys.
Let's go catch him. Where are you bad guys?
So I will get a big thing.
Okay. Oh, that's a good dinosaur. Is this one from Jurassic Park?
Yeah.
Whoa, what's his name?
Triceratops.
His name's Triceratops? Do you have another one that makes noise?
No.
I think so. Oh, wow, what's this one's name? Oh, we are, but what's his name? Oh. Good job, Triceratops.
Now let's fight some bad guys.
Bad guys. Where are you? I got the net. I'm coming for you.
Oh, I need to get that.
Bad guys, where are you? Got the net and I'm coming for you.
Oh. Now let's get some bad guys.
Let's go get him. Ready? Go!
It's down in my room. Yeah. And it's dark in there. Please come.
Should I turn the light or no?
No.
Okay, don't turn on the light.
Okay.
Okay.
Who's dropped it?
Oh no, my net. I dropped the net. Oh, where's the bad guy? Oh, I think he's right over here.
Wow!
Yeah, yeah, sure. Got him. Oh, yeah.
Wow!
Whoa, we got him, Eli.
Now let's
Oh, look. Oh, look. He came after us. Oh,
This is
the
this
T-Rex.
is his mama.
Oh, that's good or bad guy?
If this I got to.
Okay.
Now let's.
We saved the day. Good job, guys. Eli, clap a high five for saving the day.
Yeah.
High five. Good job,
No,
buddy.
no, call me Gecko. I'm Gecko.
Good job, Gecko.